So guys, welcome back to a new video, and let's start with the first of our intraday. That is gonna be Infosys. So I'll read out the buy levels and sell. So our levels, we are gonna short Infosys on 1330. We'll enter at these levels. Now I am expecting the stock to open flat. If it doesn't open flat, our next entry will be at 1324. Okay, so remember this thing. This I am not gonna tell you in the text, but I'll update it tomorrow on WhatsApp. So make sure you join the group and you get the membership done. So 1330 is the level. Our first target is 1300, 1314, and the second target is 1300. So a round of level around 30 points target, and our stop loss will be 15 points. So 2:1 ratio is easily achievable over here. The stop loss has been going to be 1345. So let's see how things go. Coming on to the analysis, if you guys can see simply, if I draw a line over here right now where Infosys is, it's console, it has took multiple supports from those levels, like you guys can see over here: support 1, support 2, support 3, support 4, support 5, 6, 7. This is the 8th time Infosys is gonna uh, touch that levels. Why I am going to go short on these levels is, right now markets are not bearable. Like market are too weak right now to go uptrend, to see a uptrend. Now let's see how Infosys reacts to Nifty and everything. If Nifty is gapped up, then we are gonna go long. I'll update the positions on again WhatsApp group, which you guys have access to. So mostly we'll go on a shorter side. The reasons are simple, and if we even draw a trend line from somewhere over this levels, we'll see a proper rejection. So yeah, this is also one thing. So let's see how Infosys reacts to the market. So the coming on to the next stock, that is Axis Bank. So Axis Bank we are gonna short at 695. The only target is 685, that is 10 points, and our SL is around 9 points. So 9 or 8 points, somewhere around that. Let me see, SL, yeah, 8 points, that is 703. So it is 1.25 ratio. So will could be a good target and all that. So let's see how Axis Bank reacts. So coming to the analysis, right now Axis Bank is into a trend line pattern. So you guys can see this moment. What I'm expecting is, this is the fourth time market is going to touch these levels. Why I am short on Axis Bank? You know, Bank Nifty, what's happening into Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is too volatile right now, and if we go for head and shoulder right now into this, so you guys can literally draw a head and shoulder pattern, something like this. Not practically head and shoulders, but something like this pattern. So what I'm our entry, as I noted, that 665, so 5 points lower to the, if you count on the scale, our entry will be at around 0.7, 0.8. The reasons why I am going at this level: first of all, I don't want to risk it. If Bank Nifty goes gap up, we're gonna get shoot up if we enter at 700, 699. Okay. The other reasons are, the supports are at, like, if it is gonna give a breakout, that will be around 669, 660, 697, something like that. So I am expecting a gap down opening. That's the reason I've put the entry point at 695. We can enter around 696 around also if markets open flat. Coming on to the last stock, that is Tata Chem. As you guys know, on Tata Chem right now selling has been happened in a huge part. Like Tata Chem was down 9%. So here are the levels. We are going to enter at 705. Simple thing. The low of the day 705. Like around that, you guys can see over here 705 was the low, and our first target is 695 and last target is 686. I don't want to go to 665 because that could be like, till entering that, till exiting that, we can get a move. So around that only we'll get 2:1 ratio on this. Our stop loss is 714. So same on every stock. I've the quantity I've given you in the WhatsApp group and everything is has a stop loss of around 160 to 200 rupees loss, and a profits of, if we go to 2:1 ratio, we'll have a profit of 400, 500 rupees. So that's how we are trading right now. I am not into 200 rupees stop loss. I always reduce the stop losses. if you guys can see on Tata came, the stop loss is of 9 rupees, but I've put the stop loss of like 9.009 rupees. I've put the stop loss of 9 rupees. So why I've kept this flexibility? The reasons are, um, we need time to exit a trade, and that's what the flexibility is given for. So yeah, in Tata Chem, this is the scenario why I am into Tata Chem. Simple thing. On daily chart, you guys can see market entered this level, gave a gave a high, tested this level, again gave a high, again tested this level. And this is the third time market is going to test this level, and my considerations are tomorrow, like Tata Key, Tata Chem has been, I guess, if I'm not wrong, Tata Chem has given its earnings on 3rd May, and the earnings were not good. So earnings is also, but we don't trade on earnings and all that. We are only stick to price action. So my thinking is that this is the third time Tata Chem is going to test these levels and it is going to fall. Reasons: if we see price action, multiple testings, breakdown, even if it takes a support, our first target is going to hit. Like this is the point, or this is the point you guys can see. So this is where we are going to enter. And next thing is earnings is also not that as like expected and all that things. Earnings is not good in Tata King, plus a lot of selling and profit booking has been happened after that. So you guys can see like 3rd May the reports were out and then a gap down movement was done. So this is the analysis for the 3 stocks. I'll update you on the WhatsApp group all the levels, and thank you for watching the video.